Hi everyone, hi beauties! Welcome to my channel. Come closer. Let's start my makeup now. I primed my lids with Make Painterly paint pots. I used my fingers and this beautiful eyeshadow palettes containing matte eyeshadows inside. I mixed some color and I used Real Techniques brush and MAC brush while I was creating these looks. I blend and I used MAC 217 for this orange tone eyeshadow and the lightest color to highlight my brow bone, and MAC honeylust is all over my lids. And with this sedona lace brush I created a triangular shape at the very end of my lid. And I used Physicians formula here to draw my eyeliner. And I created a triangular shape while I was connecting the upper lid with my lower part. And now, that's the easiest part. With a MAC concealer brush, I give a sharp look with MAC concealer. And now, the highlight section is my favorite one. I used Makeup Forever Starlit powder. And I used the same crease colors at the lower lash line, and now I curled my lashes and I placed mascara and I used Benefit Eyebrow pencil, and now I primed my lids. And for you, here comes 4 choices for this eye makeup look: Maybelline, MAC Bronze Shimmer, MAC Chili, and now beautiful color, burgundy color of MAC Diva. It's up to you. If you like this eye makeup look and 4 choices, please give thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye.